Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add video effects to your videos in CapCut. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. After you open the app, you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video or videos that you would like to edit. And after you open one of them, just scroll to the right on the bottom of the screen until you see the effects option. Click on it, and now the first one is video effects, and here is a list or a gallery, and from this gallery you can select. You can see that there are pro versions, but there are free versions as well. And when you select one of them, just click on it, and now you can see that this effect is added to my video. And if you want to adjust, click on that effect again, and you can see that you can set up the blur, the sharpen, the lateral chromatic aberration, the color, the filter. So here you can set it up perfectly for your needs. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.